Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to create a WordPress account. To create the WordPress account, we are going to open a browser and then write wordpress.com and then click on enter. Now here you can see welcome to the world's most popular website builder. Here you can see start your website. You just need to click on start your website, and here you can see your email address, username, choose password. You have to put a email address. I'm giving a temporary email address for just check. From here I'm getting a email. Copy and then paste. I'm giving any username and then the password and click on create your account. Sorry, I have to change the password. Okay, password is done. Now choose a domain. I have to put any domain name, like I'm putting here like and I'm taking this you have to pay and this is totally free, so I am going with free. See, here is a free icon and then you click on select. Here you can see start with free. You just click on it. Now your website is almost done. Click on this, start from sketch. And your control panel is here. To check your website, you just click on this and visit site. Here is your site. From here you can change everything. Okay, thank you for the watching. Hope it will work and helpful for you. Bye bye.